Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can add contacts to your Nokia 105. For that you want to go to your menu and then go to contact, and we have names here, family dialing, search and add contact. We want to go to add contact and then we can say where we want that to be saved on the phone or on our SIM card. We say phone now and then we can put in the name. We say our contact is Tony, T-O-N-N-Y, Tony. Okay, and then we can add the phone number. I'm just gonna put in random numbers now. And then we can say okay, and then contact saved in the phone. So we have the test here, we have the ADSC thingies and stuff, and here we have Tony. Here we have details about him, and when we click on option, we can say call, edit name, assign tone, share the contact via SMS, delete contact, or copy contact. So I'm going to go back now, and then if you want to call Tony, you can go ahead and call him now. So that's how you can add contacts to your Nokia 105. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.